Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss. Listen, at the end of this video, I'm gonna give y'all a quick product update. Now y'all know I don't normally do this, but this is something I forgot to mention during the video and something I think y'all need to know. Alright, so stay tuned to the end of this video. Let's get into it. Yo, what's up everybody? It's your boy Floss, back again with another video. And today we're gonna take a look at the Dyconn X4 power case for the Samsung Galaxy S4. All right, now let me show you the website real quick so you can see where to get it from. Dyconn.com. Now this is the X4. So go to the website, check it out. You can pause it and read all the specs for yourself. But this is a good look right here. Let's take a look at it. Now this is made for your Galaxy S4. Now this is a 3000 milliamp battery pack. All right, so you're gonna get total 5600 milliamps. So double your battery capacity, full case protection. Standard battery life, raised bezel design, compact slim design. This looks good. Let's take a look at the back of the box. You can pause out and read it for yourself, but 3000 milliamps. Made for the Galaxy S4, full case protection. Here goes some more of the specs. Now this will take 6 hours charging time. This is a good look right here. Okay, so let's open it up and see what it actually looks like. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. Now, y'all know I like companies that throw in a nice screen protector, so this is a good look. Nice free screen protector. Get the usual, the books. You get a micro USB charger. This is how you're going to charge the battery pack. And you get the actual case. So the case itself actually looks nice. It's a nice looking case. As you can see, 3000 milliamp. All right, so let's drop the case on and see what it looks like. Let me go pull out my S4. All right, fellas, got my S4 right here. Now let me show you how to install this case. First thing you want to do, pop off the battery cover and take out your S4 battery. Now, inside the case, you have the 3000 milliamp battery. You're going to put your stock battery right inside the back. Okay, so you snap your stock battery in. So now you got your stock battery and you got the 3000 milliamp battery together. Okay, it snaps right into place. Now all you do is grab your S4 and you insert both the batteries into your S4. Next, you separate the case. You're gonna put the back cover on. You're gonna hear it snap into place. Then you just flip it around and you put the front on. Everything snaps into place. Okay, so let's power up the S4. And that's all to it. Now the case, it feels nice. Doesn't make your phone that thick. I like the gray around the sides. That gives it that metal look to it, even though it's plastic, but it has that nice quality look to it. You see you have your power button. It's built into the case. Same thing with your volume up and down, built into the case. You got a cutout for your 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. And you got a cutout for your micro USB charger. So let's check the battery on this now. So there we go. Now keep in mind, my S4 was basically completely dead. But now we have an extra 3000 milliamp to power it up for the rest of the day. All right, so now this will run you about $40. I'll throw the Amazon link up so you can copy it for yourself. But this is a win right here. As you can see also, look how far the camera's recessed in there. So now when you go somewhere and you put your phone on the table, you don't got to worry about your camera getting scratched up. And like I said, doesn't make the phone that much more thick. I think it's only 0.7 millimeters thicker than it was before. But this is a good look right here. Got some company branding on the back. Got a cutout for your speakers. This is a good look right here. So fellas, check this one out. It's called the X4 power case from Dyconn.com. On a scale of 1 to 10, this is a win right here. So now I got power going back on my phone again. This is a good look, fellas. Check this one out for yourself. Shout out to everybody that rock with me on Facebook, Foursquare, Twitter, Google+. Shout out to all the Google gangsters. I see y'all holding down that Facebook page. Shout out to everybody hitting me up on Voxer. And a special shout out to everybody rocking me on Instagram. Y'all know that's where we doing it at full time, 100%. It's your boy Floss. I'm going to get up with y'all in a minute. I got another product from Dyconn, so we're going to take a look at the power bank and see what that's looking like. All right? It's your boy Floss. All y'all haters, all y'all trolls, you're back to your lunch. I'm out. Deuces. Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm back again real quick with a little update. Now, one thing I forgot to mention during the video that separates this case from a lot of the other battery cases out there is this case doesn't overheat. Y'all seen the Samsung video I did a long time ago, and I told y'all that case got so hot I couldn't even carry it. Well, I had this case in my pocket all day long. Look how much battery I still got, and the case is cool to the touch. So no overheating. So that's a major go. Because you got to remember, this is not a battery in a case. You're actually putting your stock battery into this battery and then putting it into the phone. So you're not going to have to worry about the case overheating. Not to mention, the case just looks and feels really nice. You see that silver trim? It makes it look like the stock phone. So it doesn't add that much thickness to the phone, and it gives you that stock look, protects your camera, and the phone is still light. So I had to mention that. I normally don't do this, but I had to mention that to y'all because this case is definitely hot. This probably going to be my go-to everyday S4 case, because y'all know the main problem with the S4 is the battery dies too fast. So you got to get either the Zero Lemon, one of those big giant, bulky extended batteries, or walk around with 3-4 batteries. Well, when you get this case, you're not going to have that problem. Trust me, you got mad battery and no extra thickness. Just a little bit thicker, but not too much. And it just feels real nice in the hand. So I had to mention that in the video for y'all. The case does not overheat. All right? It's your boy Floss. Catch you on the next trip. Deuces.